Welcome to part 3 of this video series. Today we're going to be teaching you how to set up your MailerLite campaigns and your automation. That way you can get the ball rolling. And once you have set up your integration with Bobo, you can get everything going as fast as possible. With that being said, if you haven't signed up for MailerLite, please consider signing up. My affiliate link is down below. It's not going to cost you anything by using my affiliate link, but it allows us to collect a little bit of money out of what you buy. They're not going to charge you any more than what they're already going to charge you. They also have a free plan that you can get started there. With that being said, we also have a plugin that we're coming out with and a template. If you don't want to go through the whole process of watching all these videos and getting your integrations done, consider buying the template or the plugin, whichever will work better for you. I would recommend the template because that allows you to understand what we did. So you can see the API endpoints and the configuration on how we did it. But if you don't care about that and you want to save some money, then use the plugin. Definitely is going to be priced much lower than the template. With that being said, let's jump right in. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to set up a campaign similar to Bobo. This is drag and drop builder. The campaign name is welcome email. Let's say you made it, and we're going to send it to all active subscribers. We're going to click next, and we're going to use the drag and drop editor. So similar to Bobo, you can drag and drop different elements into the screen. You're going to start with pre-built email that you can use. So here we're going to add the logo. We're going to upload both. It's going to be for those cases where we have a dark mode. On this, we're going to add. And for now, we're going to use the template that they provide. And then for this one, we're going to add a background image. Again, we're going to upload hostling apps, cover images. Let's add this one. Oops, we have selected the wrong one. So we don't want a background image. What we want is to edit this one. Okay, cool. So now for the title, again, similar to Bobo, welcome to Hosting Labs. We're going to leave everything else as it is. The point is not for me to build the email, it's just to show you how easy it is to create emails in MailerLite. Is super simple. What we're going to do is we're going to send later, and we're going to schedule it for 2 p.m. And we're going to go to the automation portion to create a new automation. Now for the automation portion, we're going to create a new automation, and we're going to start from scratch. This is going to be a working flow. And we're going to go back and we're going to add a new group, and the group is onboarding. So now we're going to go back to automation, and we're going to continue editing this flow. And the trigger for this is going to be when the subscriber joins a group, and the group is going to be the onboarding group. We're not going to allow them to repeat the flow. When they join the onboarding group, and which we're going to cover later on, how to have subscribers join a group automatically from your Bobo account. That is one of the endpoints that we have set up in the template and also in the plugin. Basically, once they join automatically, whatever group you want them to join, you're going to send them an email immediately. So the name of the email is welcome to labs, and it's going to send from DirectSac. And now you can design the email. You can go to recent emails. We haven't sent this. So what you can do is, if we would have sent that campaign before, it would appear here in recent emails. Since we haven't sent it, it's sending at 2 p.m. Central Time, which is in about 43 minutes. We're not going to wait for that. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the template gallery, and we're going to pick one. Again, these templates, you can edit them. Now they're only available if you're in the paid account, but you can create your own templates. We're going to change this to that, and we're going to leave everything else as it is because there's no point on me going through it. This is just for me to show you how it will look like. You have the welcome email. The trigger is when they join the group again, and the group that they're going to join is the onboarding group. So we're going to save that. Then it's going to send them an email immediately. Now for the next one, we want to have a delay. So we want to wait 1 day before we send the next email. And once we wait, we're going to send another email. So this name, the user is not going to see it. It's just for you to know, oh, okay, this is the email that is there. What they're going to see is the subject. We're going to say, we got some surprises for you. We're going to, again, design the email. We're going to pick another one from the gallery. Don't matter. Choose that one. So now we're going to go back to subscribers. We are going to create a new field. Click. Actually, and we're going to continue editing. We're going to edit the content for this. And we're going to grab this link. And what we want to do is, we want to create, save. This is what's going to happen. Now we will have a link that they can link to. And we're going to use that condition to add specific link click. And that's going to be this one, which is the one that we just added. When they do that, then we're going to change. We're going to update a custom field, and it's going to say yes. And we're going to save. So basically, you could have made it anything. What that means is that if they click on the link, now that they click, the custom field is going to change to yes. And now that user actually click on that specific link, you could have made it anything. Like you could have been like, oh, okay, so if they click this button, then that means that they went to the home page. You can make the custom field being click on home page, and now that user at some point click on the home page and went to the home page. So you can do a second action on that. So if they click, you're going to send an email, and it's going to say, awesome, you click on our link, and we need to add an email. And we're going to have the email, whatever. So these are booleans. If this happened, it's going to happen this. If that didn't happen, then we're going to delay, and the delay is going to be 10 days. And then we're going to do some A/B testing. Then you can add email A, email B here, and it will A/B test to this specific group of people that didn't click on the link. It's going to A/B test different versions to see which one works better, and then you can use it later. Hopefully that get my point across. This is a relatively easy way that you can build automations similar to Bubble. So if you're developing in Bubble, you are definitely able to develop an automation here on MailerLite, and that will be super simple and easy for you to get done. If you have any questions, please make sure that you leave them down in the comments below. If you're watching on YouTube, please leave a comment. Let me know what you like the most or dislike the most about this video. I will try to implement any suggestions in future videos. Also, please consider following me. If you're watching on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be releasing a lot of content from here on now, so you're definitely going to get really good content out there to help you with your projects and your Bubble development. And we're going to be focusing on integrations. So there is a whole lot of integration, API integrations that will be coming up. I will not only be teaching you how to get those integrations done, but I will also be providing both templates and plugins to help you level up your API game when it comes to Bubble. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. Again, please consider using my MailerLite affiliate link, which is down in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.